We were just coming to drive. Apparently we're shopping for cars. Right, Cameron?
No. Of course, always.
Yes. Keep watching this channel because we are going to fill Cameron's garage up with a G-Wagon and a brand new Ford GT. Or miss that. Come on. How long does it take to get back to our home base?
An hour and 6 minutes at normal speeds.
Normal speeds. Where we go, we don't drive at normal speeds.
Accommodation. Trying to use a motor car and yourself as one complete unit. It's really a biblical connection between the two, the man and the machine.
Alright, first video on the GoPro 9. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually taking a drive with a group of Aston Martins. It is an official Aston Martin rally. First one I've ever been on. Headed to Aston Martin to meet the group of cars. Hopefully it's a fun group. More so curious to see how many cars actually show up. Yeah, it should be a good day. Sun is shining. No clouds in the sky. And I'm trying out a new GoPro. Woohoo! We made it to Aston, staging the cars at this point. I did not expect the turnout that I'm seeing here. Definitely a number of cars I've never seen before. There hasn't been many from the standpoint of going to car events, car gatherings. So these being kind of fresh to the eyes, it'll be interesting to see the culture, the characters, the personalities that show up. I brought a personality with me, and his name is Cam. He's gonna help co-pilot this journey. And we got Tom, by the way.
How you doing?
Top salesman here at Aston.
There you go. New whip, question mark? No.
New whip. New whip. And we thought we were just coming to drive. Apparently we're shopping for cars. Right, Cameron?
No. Of course, always.
Yes. Oh, look at that light. That light just hits different. Something like that. The route looks like it's heading up to there, Mexico. But that's typically how we run these rallies. We always run to Mexico. Best way to do it. Cars always seem to impress. I have no expectation otherwise. They're just very classy, clean cars. Love that logo. I've now started a formal recruit of Karen to be my co-pilot and co-star on these supercar rallies. Help us get to the level of the daily driven exotics, the Stradman. We need to get this guy more supercars. Don't you want to see this guy behind the camera? You gotta comment below. I'll get him on board. What is Cameron's dream car?
Cameron's dream car. Does it have to be a car?
It doesn't have to be, it could be any vehicle, any automotive vehicle that you have your eyes on. I know you already have a down payment on one car. You want to give the audience a little clue as to what that is?
No, not today.
Not today, I love it.
If you keep watching though, you will find out.
Yes! Cliffhanger!
A nice built out G-Wagon, little lift on it.
Right.
I'm okay with that, nice and clean. I'm okay with that. If I have to go sports car, I gotta go to the Ford GT.
Ooh,
Sorry,
that thing is a great choice.
They're beautifully classic.
So keep watching this channel because we are gonna fill Cameron's garage up with a G-Wagon and a brand new Ford GT. Or miss that, come on.
What is reasonably priced? A reasonably priced.
All right, let's talk
race
about
car.
reasonably priced in this video because right now, with the way inflation is, I mean, average price for a car, like a half decent luxury car, is like what, 80 grand? Even trucks, 80 grand.
Yeah.
All the way up to 100 grand. 100 grand is becoming almost like something that people just don't even got yet anymore for buying a car. But whenever I think of a race car, I'm thinking, oh, it's going to be like $500,000. I've seen some Lamborghini Super Trofeos going for 150, 160 grand. So that's not terrible, right?
Reasonably priced.
That's my definition of reasonably.
Yeah. Like that. I like that.
That Wyatt is one that I wanted to buy.
It's just you can't even drive it without getting dirt on it instantly.
Oh yeah.
As soon as it pulls out of the garage. I mean, same with the black option.
Cameron right now is entertained.
Very entertaining.
Very entertained
entertaining.
about how I get my first person perspective of being here. I love it.
About a half mile. Then you got a curve like that coming up to the right.
Almost to the home stretch.
Yes. We're having fun. We're having a lot of fun. I will tell you that this drive is very picturesque.
So we're about to do a little follow-up feedback response on the drive. I'm speaking to my camera over here. All the way out here, we took some windy, curvy roads, and it was one of the best trips that I've had in my Aston Martin in quite some time. Can't thank you enough, Aston Martin. You guys put together some brilliant vehicles, and the driving is unreal. Awesome. that work? How'd that go? Audience, you tell me in the comments, did I do a good job or did I do a terrible? Cameron thinks I did a great job. He's a good supporter. Support your friend. All right, we are actually finishing up this drive, this rally, this epic time with Aston Martins. We had a nice lunch and now it's time to head home. Had a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, like, subscribe, hit the notifications button, follow on Instagram. You know the drill. Come on, help us grow. Let's go!
Racing is life. Anything that happened before or after, it's just waiting.
How long does it take to get back to our home base?
1 hour and 6 minutes at normal speeds.
Normal speeds. Where we go, we don't drive at normal speeds. Oh wait, that's like not a, it's a reference to Back to the Future. Where we are going, we don't need roads. Tell me if this would be a good co-star. He would probably be better like to be the star. All you ladies following me. Wait, do I have any ladies following me yet? Comment below. Well, no, for me, not for him. Not for him. Comment for me.
For him.
First rally with me. First rally with Cesar. First rally with the man in the machine. First rally in the Aston. What are your thoughts?
I consider this a success. I would also consider this a very eye-opening event for anybody that's never experienced anything like this.
Yes.
So go ahead, take a look at the video that we're going to put together and really enjoy it.
Come on! We want to take you on rides with us. This is not just a one-man show. Everybody is part of this culture, this community. We love cars together, we share them together, we're going to drive them together. Follow the man in the machine. Do it!
We just got to pull it in real quick.
Hey, you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do to own a supercar.